remove China from the global supply chain, the US is urging India to strike while the iron is hot. India-US partnership is already giving sleepless nights to the Chinese authoritarian regime, and now the US administration and in specific Mike Pompeo is hyping India up to take on China and disrupt its global supply chain. On Wednesday at the India Ideas Summit, organized by the US-India Business Council, Pompeo during his virtual keynote address asserted that India has a chance to attract global supply chains away from China and reduce its reliance on Chinese companies in areas like telecommunications, medical supplies, and others. India is in this position because it has earned the trust of many nations around the world, including the United States, said Mike Pompeo. China, which so far has been the world's factory, is quietly losing its edge in the wake of a global pandemic which to begin with has been China's doing. Countries like Japan are already jumping the sinking ship of China after the pandemic has been hit by disastrous floods, which again is said to be China's undoing. The disruption in supply chains is one of the main reasons why companies are dumping China. Therefore, the door is ajar for India to get in and take the mantle. Albeit snatch the mantle from China and become the next hotspot in manufacturing. The state of Uttar Pradesh already has got itself a German footwear company to drop its anchor in the state. Taiwanese company Foxconn is planning to invest $1 billion in India and set up another plant in South India. Foxconn assembles iPhone for global tech behemoth Apple. As interpreted by economic pundits, Apple is quietly and gradually looking to remove its production out of China. The trade war between America and China is benefiting India. Speaking about the like-mindedness of both countries, Pompeo mentioned that the ties between India and America had grown way and beyond the bilateral realm. We don't just interact on a bilateral basis. We see each other for what we are: great democracies, global powers, really good friends. India is one of a few trusted, like-minded countries whose leaders I call on a regular basis for counsel and collaboration on issues that span continents, Pompeo said. A former U.S. Army officer and director of the Central Intelligence Agency CIA, since assuming the post of Secretary of State 2 years ago, Pompeo has been on an overdrive to take on the CCP whenever he can. He has lodged attacks against China on a variety of matters from Taiwan to Hong Kong and the atrocities on Uyghur Muslims. The skirmish on the Lak against the Indian Army last month had also invited backlash from Pompeo, who had minced no words in criticizing Xi Jinping and his horrid tactics. Pompeo on Wednesday again brought out the issue and called it as a stepping point to protect the interests of both nations. Recent clashes initiated by the PLA are just the latest examples of the CCP's Communist Party of China unacceptable behavior. We are deeply saddened by the death of 20 Indian service members in Ladakh's Galwan Valley. I am confident that with our concerted efforts we will be able to protect our interests. Pompeo sounded optimistic while making the statement. Pompeo said the US has never been more supportive of India's security and called New Delhi an important and a key pillar of US President Donald Trump's foreign policy. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been invited to the powerful G7 summit, which reaffirms the fact that India and the US are going stronger together, more than ever. Pompeo hyping up India to land the sledgehammer on China when it is down and out is the word to the wise. India must surely act on it.